Welcome back to Agrotech Trends. Today, we're taking a closer look at the world of drones and their remarkable impact on agriculture. Once merely a figment of science fiction, drones have rapidly become a game-changing tool for farmers around the world. From crop monitoring to precision farming, these high-flying marvels are transforming the way we cultivate and manage our lands. Now, there's a whole fleet of drones out there, each with its own unique set of features and applications. The two most commonly used types in agriculture are the fixed-wing drones and the multi-rotor drones. Fixed-wing drones, with their long endurance and large coverage area, are perfect for mapping and surveying vast fields. On the other hand, multi-rotor drones, known for their stability and precision, are excellent for tasks like crop spraying and detailed inspections. But why are drones becoming so popular in the farming community? Well, it's simple. They offer a multitude of benefits that traditional farming methods can't match. Drones provide farmers with a bird's-eye view of their fields, allowing them to monitor crop health, identify issues early on, and manage their lands more efficiently. Plus, they're a cost-effective and time-saving solution, reducing the need for labor-intensive tasks. Drones are also equipped with some pretty impressive technology. They carry special sensors and cameras that can capture detailed images and data about the crops. This information can be processed and analyzed to help farmers make informed decisions about their crops, from identifying nutrient deficiencies to detecting pests and diseases. Drones are also making a positive impact on the environment. They enable precision agriculture techniques, which means less waste and a smaller environmental footprint. By pinpointing exactly where resources are needed, drones help reduce the use of chemicals and conserve water. However, like any technology, drones do come with their own set of challenges. Regulatory hurdles and airspace restrictions can limit their use, and there are still some technological limitations to overcome. But the future looks bright. With emerging technologies and advancements, drones are set to play an even bigger role in agriculture. So there you have it. A quick tour of how drones are revolutionizing the world of agriculture. They're helping farmers monitor their crops, manage their lands more efficiently, and even reduce their environmental impact. And this is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, the possibilities are endless. Before we wrap up, remember to explore the world of drone technology for your agricultural needs. Go on, give it a shot. You might be surprised at what you can achieve. And if you've enjoyed this journey through the skies of agriculture, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Agrotech Trends for more insights into the world of agricultural technology. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and your feet on the ground, on the